how to buy this is fine token. So this token came under the symbol of fine. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not a professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply just goes below, find your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, before going on by this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. And as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It created 1 day ago and increased by 100% in less than 4 hours. The liquidity unlocked by 99%. That's meaning investment in a safe place. As you can see, this token trending number 4 in this Solana section. To be able to buy this token, we will use the Ethereum. So first of all, connect your wallet. For that, I will use the Bitget wallet. Now after that, if you don't find your token here, now go back to the token page on the screener. Click here to copy the token address and go back to Ethereum. Click here. And as you can see, paste the token address here. And as you can see, you will be able to find your token here. Click on this add icon token, and now click on your token here, and you will be able to find it here. So as you can see from the below, select the token that you want to buy with. For example, USDT, and make sure that you have enough USDT on you. Right now, here type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive. Click on this more info to make sure to read all that information here. Click on shop and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy fine token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.